KrispCall tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use KrispCall. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on KrispCall, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is KrispCall, it is a cloud-based communication platform designed to enhance the quality and efficiency of voice calls using artificial intelligence, in which it is best known for its advanced noise cancellation technology, which removes background sounds, echoes, and unwanted voices in real time, ensuring clear and professional communication during online meetings or calls. And KrispCall also offers features such as call recording, call analytics, virtual phone numbers, and integrations with popular communication and CRM tools, making it suitable for both individuals and businesses. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or the Get Started button on the top right corner. However, it is also important to understand that using this KrispCall, by leveraging AI, the platform helps to improve productivity, maintain call clarity in noise environments, and support remote or hybrid work setups. In terms of the pricing plan, this is basically the list of plan that they offer. We have here Essential, Standard, and Enterprise plan, with a corresponding amount and also benefits including on each plan. You can choose either monthly or annually. And now in terms of some of the features that they offer, we have here below some of the comparison to it, including the user limit, messaging, SMS filter, recording playback, fast forward, voicemail, starred messages, and many more. So now to start using it, all you need to do is simply click the Get Started and simply enter our full name, email address, our phone number, and even a password in here. Once done, the next thing that you need to do is to choose your case. For personal use, you can select appropriate level of access data if you're calling and receiving calls, secondary number to maintain privacy, and many more. I'm going to click next once done, and after that, the next thing that we need to do is to simply choose our own plan. As you can see, there's no free plan in here, so you need to pay at least $12 for Essential plan. But that also depends on your business needs or your company needs, either annual or monthly plan in here. And after clicking choose button, just click next. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the payment details, including the payment method to use, either card, credit card, debit card, and fill out the required information. But at this point, since the free plan is not available, we could also start diving into some of the features it offers, including AI products it offers, the feature included, and even the use of using KrispCall. Now under free tools in here on the top panel, it will show you some of the tools that they offer for free. We have here carrier lookup, speech to text generator, voicemail greeting generator, number validator, text to voice generator, revenue phone lookup, and many more. And below it will show you what the dashboard looks like or the interface looks like of KrispCall. This basically on the left side panel, it will show us the dashboard, the contacts, the power dialer, and many more. Now all of these are pretty much accessible on the left side panel upon buying or purchasing the Essential plan. On the left side panel also, it will show you all of the contacts list that you can call anywhere in the world. And also the importance of using KrispCall lies in its ability to significantly improve communication quality, productivity, and professionalism, especially in today's remote and digital work environments. Now aside from those kind of features, it will show you in here below. If you scroll down, it will show you some other feature that includes cloud telephony, SMS marketing, where businesses send SMS messages to promote products, share updates, offer discounts, and send reminders or provide important notifications. And they even offer an outbound calling, which is basically a communication process where a business or organization makes calls to customer or prospects rather than receiving incoming calls. And using KrispCall, outbound calling can be managed efficiently through automated dialing, call tracking, and analytics tools. Now they also offer AI Copilot and call transcription and even live call monitoring that allows supervisors or managers to listen to ongoing calls between agents and customers in real time. And this feature is often used to oversee call quality and ensure that conversations meet company standards. Now aside from that, some of the free features or tools, including these carrier lookups, are used in KrispCall. It basically identifies the telecommunication provider associated with specific phone number. And aside from that, they also have here this reverse phone lookup, which is a process that lets you identify the owner or source of phone number by entering the number into search tool or database. Well, aside from that, they also offer this area code lookup, which identify the geographic region or country associated with a specific telephone area code. By entering an area code into lookup tool, you can find out where actually is call coming from. And now for the final part, under this AI product that is offered under KrispCall, there are also a variety of information needed in here upon navigating the AI products, and that includes first this power dialer, which basically on the left side panel, by navigating this one is automated calling software that helps sales team and call centers increase productivity by automatically dialing phone numbers from predefined lists. This is basically what it looks like of navigating the interface on KrispCall. The system calls you one contact at a time and immediately connects the agent only when a live person answers, reducing idle time and improving efficiency. This is basically what it looks like upon navigating this power dialer. It will show you all of the contacts listed, and you can contact them one by one or one at a time. And basically, these kind of features are commonly used in telemarketing, customer support, and lead generation because they streamline workflows and allows agents to focus more on conversations rather than negative or repetitive tasks. Now, aside from power dialer, they also offer under AI products some of the options to navigate also on the left side panel of it. Of KrispCall, we have here cloud number, SMS marketing, AI Copilot, 2FA. So let's start by navigating this SMS marketing. We have here also a variety of options such as bulk SMS, personalized text messaging, AI SMS, and many more. Under bulk SMS, you can send a large scale of text instantly or to send messages to a number of people without typing them one by one to each other. And again, to start using some of the option or feature in here, all you need to do is simply sign in your account by getting started, entering here your full name, email address, phone number, and any other required information. Now, aside from that, they also offer this lead capture, which is a process of collecting information from potential customers who show interest in a product or service. This will help you to increase your visitors and simplify the follow-ups to customers. Using this feature, you can collect lead details such as name, phone number, email, and inquiry type during calls, organize potential customers in one system for follow-ups, track interest levels so businesses can know which leads are more likely to convert, and improve sales efficiently by reducing missed opportunities after calls, and integrate with CRM systems so leads automatically go into marketing or sales pipelines. And aside from those, they also offer this patent option in which its purpose is to refer to protecting and supporting the AI-powered outbound call management system and related innovation, and even secure the system that uses deep learning to match agents with the right customers or leads. Now, aside from those, using KrispCall is important because for business, it helps improve communication efficiency, customer management, and overall productivity. Here are also some of the applications that you can integrate with or log in or sign in your account. But again, to use some of those features, you need to subscribe to any of the plans that they offer, including Essential, Standard, or Enterprise plan. But overall, that is just basically how you can use KrispCall. Thank you.